In the last episode, we spent time doing a bunch of maintenance on Happy Days in preparation for our next passage and carved out time each day for a bit of fun. In this episode, we replace our washing machine and check out of Fiji ahead of our passage to Vanuatu. But first, we get involved in the Fiji Regatta week at Musket Cove and sail our home in a race around Malolo.
We had to figure this out, guys.
We're sailors. There we go. It's what a port tack and a starboard tack looks like. Thank you.
Yep. We'll pop it right here.
We can reference it. So we know when to give way or not. Well, truth is, we're just going to give way all the time, I think.
Yeah. This is our home. We don't want it to be damaged at all.
Look at it out here. It looks beautiful.
It's so fun. There's going to be such beautiful colours, sails.
How many black ones there are? And then we were
Oh, we got paddle wheel. Yes.
Yeah.
Load anchor. Full crew. Alright, it started, and needless to say, we're not in a good position. But we'll go around this guy's stern, get our sails out, and get going. Alright. So, we're in probably a solid last, so let's see how we go. That's cool.
That is cool. Go the Drua.
I hope he's not fishing.
Alright, we still got to get across that start line. There's the start line.
Yes.
We're doing it.
The conditions were very light and there was lots of reef to dodge, but we were happy just to be involved and putting our ocean sailing experience to the test in a racing environment.
Tango 128.
In the middle of the race, apparently it's time to do push-ups. Meanwhile, Pips is relaxing, ready to put Big Red up at a moment's notice. The main fleet.
So, a mate of ours has joined the regatta. And it's not the sailboat, but rather that guy there. Haha, Cameron off Kamara. He's guiding in 12 knots on his foil, which is a very good effort.
Could really fast.
It was a late start and he's chasing us down. Meanwhile, we've had a good race with this little, well, not that little, it's the Fusion 40. Cool boat, eh? But even perhaps cooler is this mono over here. They go great guns. Admittedly we're white sails, but
Very good sailors.
Really, it's just cool to watch them sail. They're trimming their spinnaker. Getting it down.
There's Cameron's support team. And Cameron's out here. Going for it. Would you do that, Archie? Would you do that? Bells would.
Are we getting them, Tom? They got us.
I think we're crossing it.
There we got it now. There it is. There you go, us. We finished. Hey, where is it? Oh! Oh! Right up, mate. Well, so we held off our competing boats.
Yes.
We didn't get overtaken. So
We did well.
We did well. We
In our
didn't break
category.
anything.
Yeah, we did well in our category.
do you describe your Muscat Cove Regatta experience?
A leisurely sail around.
Well done.
And sneaking in just before the
Cut-off
4 hour
time.
cut-off.
Nailed it.
Yeah.
So this is
And this is more fun to watch, look.
Yeah.
All these beautiful big sails.
it's the round the sandbank race at the Muscat Cove Regatta. It's like a few days of socialising and fun events and a bit of competition and a bit of this, a bit of that. It's cool.
The one at the front with the yellow sail is winning.
That's Will. Hello, Will.
And then this is the monohull relapse that did really well yesterday, hey?
Yeah, and then Miss
And
Minnie.
then Miss
No,
Minnie.
that's Coral Cat.
The Coral Cat
Yeah,
is called
this
Miss Minnie.
Yeah.
And then, oh, what's this mono?
No, there's still one.
Yeah. And then a lot of the bigger cats.
Can you hear the breeze in the
Oh my
microphone?
goodness, it's so, so light. I'm kind of glad we chose surfing
Surfing was
over racing.
the weather said surfing.
Yeah, because we just had the most epic surf. Well, for me. These guys had fun.
Yeah.
But it was definitely a good size for Pip and I, and we had a blast out there. Loads of families, loads of sailors, some serious racers, and a lot of casual cruisers that race their boats anyway. Like us. It's so quiet. We can hear them laughing on their boats. Race is on now. The wind's died out even more. And so the big mono is actually almost stalled. And Miss Minnie, the Coral Cat's boat,
Loving it.
is perfectly sneaking past them in these conditions. Here she goes for the overtake. Oh, they've had to turn up so they don't actually hit. Gosh. Gosh, they're so close to each other.
How do they figure this out again?
Who's going to come second? I know who'll be first in the monos. Oh, and you've got the other one down there who's winning.
It's quite possibly the best day. Dock lines. Right, they've got it. That boat will be fine. No rats out there. So Chong, this is the last night of the regatta. How would you describe your time?
It was very, very fun.
Very, very fun. Any highlights?
All of it?
Oh,
The
good.
whole regatta is a highlight.
Nice. And tonight, let's talk through your strategy.
Okay, I'm gonna share half of the things with Mom in the buffet.
Because last buffet, how did you go?
I ate way too much. I ate way too much. So hopefully that works.
Nice.
Hopefully.
Hello.
Good
You're in
morning.
the bilge this morning.
Good morning, good morning. Yeah, our lift pump that helps get water from the ocean to our generator stopped working last night. And I don't know if it's the original one or not, but it's a vital piece of kit. And the reason it's a vital piece of kit is because it makes water, fresh water. Well, it's a piece of the
part
puzzle.
Of the puzzle, yeah.
Piece of the puzzle that makes water. So thankfully we had a spare, and it wasn't a cheap piece of kit. For a 12-volt pump, you'd think it would be not expensive, but it was a few $100. When we were somewhere around the US, we put it in our spare catalogue, and praise the Lord we did. So it should hopefully be plug and play, and we're back in action. But the generator, for what it's worth, the generator didn't overheat. It still worked as it should, but this pump is to help get it
Just to
up
pull
to
the
where it
water
is.
from the
Exactly.
sea to the generator.
Exactly.
It is quite a distance.
That's it.
It's just a hose clamp on each end of the pump and then the wires.
Yeah,
So it's pretty straightforward.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And just like that,
Generator on, we're away.
now time to make water, hey?
Yeah, it is. What
How to
that
do that.
means, we're currently that little red arrow there in Fiji, and we plan to continue west, through Asia.
Yeah, we're trying to decide whether to go above or below PNG.
Or even up to Palau, and anyway, so we're leaving our run. It's not late, but we're going to need to move.
Later than, we're going to have to go quite quickly through Vanuatu and Solomons.
So we'll keep you posted as we learn more, but in the next week or so we plan to head to Vanuatu, make tracks through there reasonably swiftly up to the Solomons, and that's where we'll determine whether we go sort of north or south. But
We're going to do our research about both.
yeah,
Love, man.
we're doing well.
After filling the water tanks and checking the weather, it was time to provision and also replace a much needed piece of kit.
Wearing it in.
Yeah. You ask. I'm very excited.
Meanwhile,
No weather window.
no weather window. What does that mean?
Oh, it's like some washing machines.
That means more boat jobs.
Right now it's 7:30 in the morning.
Gross, these are quite heavy.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Gross.
So just got a new door out because we're trying to get a new washing machine in. Dad's just de-syncoflexing this thing
It's looking better.
so we can get it out to put the new washing machine in. Another door coming out.
Yeah, it's really tight, the fit, we think, based on our measurements.
It should fit
Should
if
fit.
we take all this stuff
a little
out.
complicated actually, just like wiggling it in.
Yeah, and
Because of how much
and the weight, which
the weight of it.
it probably weigh as much as those doors
It
or
weighs as much as
heavier.
me.
57 kilograms.
I'm 56.
I think we'll still sail at the same speed.
That's
It's like having an extra person on the boat.
that's
But it's a very helpful person. I'm
Yeah.
happy to have them on the boat.
that's very heavy.
So they've got to get all the Sikaflex off from around this panel. This is the glass panel. We don't use the shower. It does all still work.
It
So
used to be my shower, but
Yeah. But
Yeah.
it's now our laundry because we need somewhere to keep
Well-
the washing
We've got another 3 showers.
And we've got 3 other showers. So
Well-
we share with Bella.
when we
Actually
bought the
shares
boat, it was the laundry. So
Yeah.
That's it.
Pinch by something.
That's how you're like, oh, I gotta build this. I don't know how it happened though.
She got lots of sycophants.
Keep working on it.
Having a party.
Just trying to put down the force on it.
Alright, so we've decided we probably should peel back the headliner.
No fun to have a screw.
And just make sure there's no screw holding the panel up. Oh!
There was a screw
Broke
there.
it! There was a screw. Bugger. Just brute strength, that is.
Wow, Dada.
Did that know?
Got it.
What's the screw?
Dada.
Fothergilled it.
True, Dad.
Yeah.
Yep, Dad.
You're so strong.
Clean up time. Look at all that. Sycophants.
Really did a good job.
There's some proper stoke this morning. Belle's got a new mask yesterday. She's testing it out. But we've still got jobs at the marina to do, so she can't go diving yet.
I'll go diving just yet, okay?
I reckon we'll get back out to Musket Cove and she'll be like,
Oh, do you want to go and clean that bottom of
Party?
that boat?
No, I've got to go diving. Might have to work on that one. Sister to the rescue. Thanks, Pip.
Oh, golly bells, you like Pip did.
Golly.
But with the...
And next time, Bella's had a haircut.
No.
I
got saved
Oh, Pip.
So,
Ooh.
yeah,
I don't know, we'll work out that.
today, first I think we should go and get coffee. Let's get coffee. We've just pulled out that panel. Let's get coffee and then figure out the rest.
So you got yours on now. Are you testing Bella's old mask?
Yes. It's really nice. It's
Your
tight.
hat on.
Except for the straps that are right back.
Looks like you're ready for anything.
Ow. Ready for anything!
Ready to install a washing machine?
Yes.
So is a washing machine a necessity or a luxury on board? When we lived on our monohull, we hand washed everything. It was a tedious, time-consuming task, and the results weren't always great. Larger items like sheets and towels were often put off until we reached a marina or found a laundromat. But after having a washing machine on happy days these past few years, it's given us more time and freedom. No more hunting down laundry services. For the type of expedition-style sailing that we do, it's become a must-have.
We've had our coffee.
Yep.
We'll get this thing back and see if we can install it.
Well,
We will. We made room. It's going to fit. Yes. Positive thinking. Positive thinking can get it done, eh, Pip?
Yeah, that's always fun.
And some extra line for the jack stays. Jack lines.
I'm going to be jackknife, so yes.
Right now, the actual, no, the top bit pulls off. I just throw it over Hopefully, you can get it with a screwdriver.
what do you reckon?
So very exciting.
I think we've got someone strong, two strong folks on the boat.
David, you need a break?
What about me? Oh, you're strong too.
Installing the washing machine.
Yeah.
Letters to come.
Right.
Sorry, slipping.
Bells, I might get you to actually come and lift, please. There. So what we were going to try and do is just put it down on where I am, where I'm standing. So if everyone can kind of do their best to grip something. You go.
Yeah. Almost there.
Down on the step. Down the step.
Okay, now we need to rotate. Go under it, Bells, you're in a good spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Our first door. Ooh, I think we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Ted, John, come in.
You're looking good from here.
Just protect them. Protect Dad's back on that fibre perspex.
You're through
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Ted's through.
Sit down. Okay, we're gonna
This is so
rotate without
exciting.
scratching the floor.
That's good.
Hold.
Okay, we're through on this side.
Okay, so let's just pause. Okay, so we're in. Wouldn't have got in without the doors coming up there.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so Ted, we'll just
You kind of need to do it all in one movement, don't
just
you?
grab a towel from up there, mummy, and just pop it on the wood. We're gonna kind of use it.
Leverage on the wood, yeah.
I'll probably just do that for you. That is how close it is, eh?
The cord.
Cord won't fit through.
But we've been able to leave the door on. That's positive.
Yeah. Slowly. The old hip shove.
That's so exciting.
And we'll make it look pretty.
Yeah. Last bit of the puzzle.
Yeah, and wet those out.
Get the transport bits out.
Put the door in.
Once that's done, we're going to give it a shot and turn it on. Alright, so we're plugged in. We're plumbed in.
And now it's time to see it turn on.
Is everybody ready? Yes.
Ah, yay!
Whoa! It's got lights.
Flash.
Very.
We're running that off solar. That's even cooler.
Alright. We don't need heaps.
This is totally worth filming because it's important.
Okay, it's going in.
Smells.
Okay, should we hit start?
Yes.
Just check. Water's turned on. Okay.
Just gonna sit here, watch it. Pip, it's alive. It's alive.
You ready? You'll hear the water going in a minute. Not leaking.
Wait, I want to watch it. Wait, okay. So I can come up.
Oh, see, it's starting to come up there.
Wait, I have never seen.
Honestly, Pip's gonna sit on a toilet and just wash.
Yeah.
Watch the washing wash for an hour.
This is, we're about to go and move this one on.
Bows up there.
But if you bring it in here, Rose. Right, this is a random setup actually, because it's like a horizontal drum in a vertical. Well, it's random for us, but maybe in other parts of the world it's normal. But what happened is there's a spin. Oh, it's actually doing alright at the moment, but
It's going do-do-do-do-do-do, like a
It's-
buckle tire.
and it would get stuck every now
I
and
don't
then.
know if you can see, but there's some rust.
Yeah.
Everywhere. Yeah, it's not ideal.
It was getting pretty
So,
tired.
Yeah, it was. You can see underneath where Ted's about to lift from.
Underneath there's not
Oh.
Get it in there.
Alright, let's get this off the depth. The longest way. Throw. Yeah. Ready for drive here. Today is just Pip. Woo! Whoa! How bad is it? Are you sure? What I'm saying is, today's just Pip and I running. Stay on your feet, Pip. That's like live action. Pip's taking one for the team. It is a bit loose underfoot, actually. Lucky you're tough. Okay, what's going on, team? Talk me through it.
Checking out of Fiji. It's time to go.
It's been beautiful. It's been lovely. It was as good the second time as it was the first time. I don't know when we're going to be back, but the people here are amazing.
I'll be back for sure. I don't know whether it will be by boat or by plane, but Fiji's got a pretty special place in my heart.
So thank you for having us again. You're all amazing. But today we're going to go through the process of customs, immigration and all that stuff to check out. And
Which is actually really easy here because we just have to go into the marina and they all come to us.
yeah.
We've got to top up the propane too, which is just a short walk outside the marina because the gas plant is right there.
And I have a meeting in 10 minutes, so better crack in. All right, let's go. Missed it by that much. Like it's not hot and sweaty. Whee. Someone's got some nice stuff. We're away, guys. Thank you. Come here.
Yeah, we all want to cuddle and chat.
Lots of cuddles. Jump in there. Thank you for your help. Yeah.
Sounds great. Everybody sounds great.
You take one, okay? And hopefully we'll see you.
Vinaka!
Guys.
It's okay.
I reckon I'll be back anyway.
She loves it. See you next time. Thank you, thank you.
Always so much.
Wing at the moment, heading downwind before we, oh that's not good. Anyway, have to cut that last bit short.
Can you see it?
There it is.
Skateboard
I
towards
can't
it.
see it anymore. Chris just jumped in and the sea snake was right next to him.
Yeah, they're like snakes. I was like, where? They're like there. I'm like,
You
where?
were looking the complete opposite side.
Next time on Sailing with Six, it's time to push west to Vanuatu. We have a great passage and arrive in time to celebrate the captain's birthday.